Stop guessing and start pricing properties like a pro. We're diving into Zach Ginn's Zillow method for killer CMAs. First, head to Zillow.com and enter the address of the property you're trying to comp. Next, zoom out slightly on the map and refine your search using Zillow's filters. Focus on beds and baths to match your subject property, and home type. Single-family homes should be compared to single-family homes. Condos to condos. Click more and scroll down to sold. Set the time frame to the last 90 days, or 180 if inventory is low in the area. Under price, set the minimum and maximum to capture a relevant range. Now, analyze your search results. Look for properties that are truly comparable in size, condition, and lot size. Ignore outliers, properties that sold for way above or below the average. Create a spreadsheet. Input the address, square footage, sale price, and calculate the price per square foot for each comparable property. This gives you a baseline for comparison. Finally, make adjustments if a comparable property has a renovated kitchen. Add value to the subject property, and vice versa. Deduct for missing features. Ginn's method emphasizes making small, incremental adjustments based on factual differences. And that's it. By using Zach Ginn's Zillow method, you can create accurate and data-driven CMAs, helping you price properties confidently and win more listings.